Biking is an exhilarating and fulfilling way to explore the outdoors, but when your bike breaks down, you need to be prepared. That's where bike multi-tools come in handy. These compact and lightweight gadgets can fix anything from a broken chain to a loose bolt, all while fitting in your pocket. Bike multi-tools usually include a range of wrenches, screwdrivers, and hex keys that can be used to make on-the-spot repairs. Some even come with tire levers and a chain breaker. Whether you're an experienced cyclist or just starting out, a bike multi-tool is a must-have for any bike adventure. With so many great options out there, be sure to choose one that suits your needs and can get you back on the road in
show you the Pro Bike Tool Mini Ratchet tool set. First, we're going to take you through the bits of the tool. So you have the ratchet handle, which is this piece here, a magnetic tool bit extender, and a range of bits. And all of these are stored in this handy hard case pouch. We've included a range of bits which will cover all of the fettling and DIY that you may need to carry out. This includes a range of Allen keys, a couple of screwdrivers, and a couple of Torx heads. All of the elements are made out of stainless steel, which means they're super durable. The hard case pouch is a great way of keeping all the bits together so that none of them get lost or damaged. All of the parts of the tool just fit inside the netting like so. The great thing about this case is that the other side of the netting can be used to store any essentials you may want on a ride, such as a credit card or cash. And then you simply zip it up like so, and everything's protected in the hard case. The case is super small when done up, and is in fact smaller than a rolled up tube, which makes it a great companion for your pocket when you're out on a ride. Or if you were to put it in a rucksack or carry case, you would hardly even notice it's there, as it's so light. On the reverse of the case, there's a little loop, which means you can attach it to your belt, which makes it super versatile for if you were to use it for home DIY. Now we're going to show you how to assemble the tool. The tool bit extender is magnetic, and it's this that holds the various elements together. To put the handle into the extender, you simply push it until you get a click. Then you select the bit you want and you put it into the red sleeve end, and this too will click into place. To release the bit, you pull the red sleeve towards the handle and the bit will pop out, and then you can just pull it out. There's a small lever on the reverse of the handle, and this sets the direction of the drive. When the handle is to the left, like so, the drive is clockwise. And when the handle is to the right, the driving action is anti-clockwise. And there we have it, the Pro Bike Tool Mini Ratchet.
The Park Tool MTC40 is 13 essential tools in one convenient, high-quality take-along multi-tool. The MTC40 features a super strong composite handle, hardened and plated tools, and smooth ergonomic operation. Inflation.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.